I hit this issue today, and here's the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to enable biometric login on Betterment, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Betterment app. Launch the Betterment app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, navigate to the settings menu. This is usually found in the profile section, typically represented by a gear icon. Step 3. Find security options. In the settings menu, look for the security options. This section will allow you to manage your login preferences, including biometric settings. Step 4. Enable biometric login. Toggle the biometric login option to enable it. You may be prompted to authenticate with your fingerprint or face recognition to confirm the change. Quick gotcha: if you don't see the biometric option, ensure your device supports it and that you have set up your fingerprint or face ID in your device settings first. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of the app and then attempt to log back in using your biometric method. This will confirm that the setup was successful. Now you're all set to use biometric login on Betterment. Enjoy the convenience and security it brings to your investment management.